In this video, we are going to look at how to make money through Binance P2P trading. Personally, I take advantage of the price differences in different countries, and this is how I do it. 1. Don't use the app as it comes. The price gaps are usually inefficient. 2. Use a VPN to access other countries for better prices. 3. Always list your ads between 1 to 5 p.m. East Standard Time for more visibility. Pro tip, some of my favorite countries to trade in are Poland, Italy, New Zealand, and Germany. Now to log in, I either log in through the app by connecting, or simply searching for Binance Poland bot on the Telegram app, because my VPN could be detected. Import wallet. Grab my phrase key, because I use Binance Web 3. Paste my key and log in. So yeah, I'm in now. To deposit, just click here, and your personal address appears. Simply copy it and fund your wallet to continue. Withdrawals take less than 5 minutes, and the fees are the same. No difference at all. So here's how I do it. Click on P2P. Cool. This is my most recent ad from my other account. Select ads. Click on the post ad button. Okay, so I want to sell BTC. Remember, your wallet needs to be funded before you proceed. If not, your ad application will not go through. The minimum is $2,500, and no extra verification is usually required. I select TetherPay to receive payments in USDT since I'm not able to receive zloty here in the US. An auto-receive account is usually provided by TetherPay on the trader's behalf, and that's why I choose it most times. All I have to do is just accept the transaction. I'll set the price. I want to sell 120 grand. I'll set my normal limits. Leave the payment method. On TetherPay, I pay in 15 minutes. For my terms, no third parties. I don't like any drama. And then hit confirm. All right, it's pretty much done. Click on done. Let me scroll through and see where I am. There it is. So, guys, as we can see, my ad is visible for everyone. Once a new ad is reposted, it's usually pushed to the top and says, New Merchant. This is why. Advise my students to use other countries. Thanks for watching. So, now I created an order. See you in the next video for tutorials on how to accept orders and rank higher.